Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Absolute pleasure to show you around our latest arrival. This is a 2018 18 plate BMW X1. It's the 18D Sport and it's finished in this jet black metallic paintwork, and it's complemented perfectly with a black and contrasting red interior. It also has the piano black finishings as well. The car's covered 48,696 miles and has a great specification, including 2,140 pounds of factory fitted optional extras. So those optional extras are the sport automatic transmission, and that's £1,600. We've got the sun protection glass, i.e. privacy glass there on the B pillar backwards, that was £300. Cruise control with brake functioning, £240. So we've got some parking aids, rear parking sensors. We've also got an electronic tailgate as well, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity with voice commands, multifunction steering wheel, plus many other standard specification features. It's a fantastic car to look at, even better to drive. If you have any questions at all, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions that you may have. We work with a panel of lenders for any of your financial requirements, and we also have a great partnership with Warrantywise, the UK's #1 warranty company for all your extended warranty requirements as well. Thank you once again for watching. Been a great pleasure showing you around, and we hope to hear from you soon.